Hey guys, thank you for clicking on this video. And as you can see by the title, today is going to be my 1 month lock update. Let's get into it. So I retwisted my hair yesterday and these are the results. I am actually loving my hair so far. This journey has been nothing but good to me. I don't have anything bad to say. I'm just really excited to see, what my hair is going to look like in a couple of months from today. The main things that I've noticed in my hair this month are the frizz. As you guys saw in my 2-week lock update, I had a lot of frizz, but it got worse than that. But the new thing that I noticed was budding. There's a lot of budding going on in my hair, and I will show you all that in just a second. So before I retwisted my hair, I did not notice any budding. I was like looking through my hair, like, do I have any budding? I don't see any. But I was fooled because after I retwisted my hair, that's when I saw the budding. And I think I did not see it the first time when I was looking for it was because my hair was so frizzy. So I would just like pick up my hair, look at it, and like it was so frizzy, so I couldn't really see like the buds. But after I retwisted it, I was like, oh shit, like there's budding there. So I was fairly surprised at how much budding there was. Like a lot of my twists, you can see the buds. So I'm going to show you guys that. Those are the buds. There's a lot more, but I'm not going to show you guys each individual one. I don't want this video to be like crazy long. There's not too much of an update. I definitely have shrinkage. I wish I took a picture of my hair right after I twisted it a month ago for the first time, but I don't have a picture of that, so sorry. But there definitely is a lot of shrinkage. When I was retwisting my hair, I did palm roll it. I want to say retwisting took about 2 hours. I was moving a little slow. I was trying to maintain the parts that I did. I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like. But yeah, like I said, clearly I tried to keep the parts as neat as I possibly could. They don't have to be perfect, but I did want to, at least try to keep the parts because I spent so much time trying to make the part as neat as possible the first time I twisted my hair. So I did record myself retwisting my hair yesterday, so that will be in a separate video for you guys. But like I said, I didn't want this video to be too long because I did just do like my initial update video about 2 weeks ago. I do have some of this going on in my hair where like the hair is just like dangling at the end, but I'm gonna leave them how they are. But yeah, here's just another close-up of what my hair is looking like. I'm loving the frizz. I can't wait for my hair to just like, start looking like a lock. If I'm being completely honest, I am very happy with how my hair is looking right now. Like, I feel like it's progressing so much faster than I thought it was going to. Oh, just the last thing, as far as like moisturizing my hair every day, I was moisturizing it with water and oil almost every day, but I'm probably going to start spacing that out and just do it as needed, because I feel like you can't over moisturize your hair, but I feel like I was overdoing it. Like I didn't need to moisturize my hair every day. I did start using rose water. I haven't really seen a difference in my hair yet. So I did buy a big bottle. I was trying to buy the small bottle, but they didn't have it, so I bought the big bottle. But yeah, I'll probably just use that up and see how I feel about it in my hair. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.